Welcome you all for the course CS8791 Cloud Computing. In this video lecture, we are going to see the introduction about the course Cloud Computing and the syllabus overview. First, we will see what is cloud computing. It is a way of delivering the computing services through the internet. Without internet, there is no concept of cloud computing. So we can get the services like server facilities, storage devices, and many other things with the help of internet. And next, the main idea behind the cloud computing is pay per use basis. We can access the services according to the amount which we paid. It allows renting of services like infrastructure, runtime, environment, and some other services. If you have a laptop or PC with a dedicated internet connection, you can get all of these services like applications, platforms, and infrastructures. Next, the vision of cloud computing. In this figure, we are seeing two parts. In the left side, we can see some requirements of one party, and other side, those requirements can be on rental basis for satisfying them. For example, if someone needs an infrastructure for running their applications, they can hire those infrastructure services from the other side, like cloud service providers. The party who wish to hire the services, they should make a payment and get those services from the cloud service provider. This picture clearly shows how the service provider giving infrastructure services to the end users. Next, we will see how the cloud is defined. As I have already said that without internet, there is no concept of cloud computing. That means cloud is an internet-centric way of computing. All the process behind the cloud is done with the help of internet. In cloud applications that can be delivered as services to the customers over the internet. The cloud service provider can rent their hardware infrastructure, system software application, which are packed in data centers that provide those services. Here, everything can be given as a service to the users. Therefore, it has the concept of XaaS. That means everything as a service. Next, the picture shows the evolution of cloud computing. In earlier days, terminal computers were there. It is used for building mainframe applications. Those systems are also called as mainframe computers. Next, distributed computers were came. That systems are used to build desktop applications. At that time, high-level languages are introduced to build those applications. During 1980s, internet has come into the picture. At that time period, client-server applications are launched with the help of large individual servers. The request and response method is introduced here. The high configured machines host the internet applications for the end users, and continuously internet and website hosting with the dedicated protocols are introduced through the pool of distributed servers. And currently, the cloud applications like Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud or IBM Bluemix, and Microsoft Azure, and many more cloud service providers are being with today's internet world. These applications are purely hosted to the users with virtualization methods, and it will be clearly explained in upcoming sessions. Next is types of cloud. According to the needs, cloud is classified into 4 types: private, public, hybrid, and community clouds. In a private cloud, only one organization can access. So the security and control level of this cloud is very high. Second type is public cloud. Here, the services are offered by third party over the public internet. Compared to private cloud, the public cloud is somewhat less secure. Hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. And the community cloud is specifically designed for taking the services between the organization for a common goal. We will elaborately discuss on these type of clouds in upcoming lectures. Types of cloud services. Depending on the services invoked by the cloud service provider, it has classified into three types: IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, platform as a service; SaaS, that is software as a service. Infrastructure as a service allows to rent the IT infrastructure on a payment basis. It is the most basic category of cloud computing services. Example is Amazon Web Services, that is AWS. It allows the user to hire an infrastructure like server and machines, etc. Platform as a service is used for developing, testing, delivering, and managing the software applications through the platform which is running those applications. Example is Google App Engine. In this platform, we can create and host the applications to it, and anyone can use those applications. Software as a service. Here, the software applications are delivered over the internet on a subscription basis. Example is Google Drive. In Google Drive, we can access the Word document and Excel documents and some other documents. That means the Google Drive is inbuilt with those software as a services for the end users. Major issues in cloud computing is privacy and security. In this mechanism of computing, we cannot assure that our data is safe on cloud. We will discuss more on these issues in detail on the later sessions. These are the 5 learning objectives for this course. First one is to understand the basic concepts of cloud computing. The second objective is to appreciate the evaluation of cloud from existing methods like the single terminal computer to the virtualization techniques used nowadays. The next is to get a knowledge on the various issues in cloud computing related with security, connectivity, data loss, and etc. In the next objective, we are going to know who are leading the present cloud technologies. And the last objective is we are going to get an idea about what thing will be the future of the cloud. Now we are going to discuss about the overview of the syllabus. Here, this is the first unit topics which we are going to study in this course. This unit mainly focuses on the principles and characteristics of the cloud computing. The definition of cloud computing will clearly tell that what is the abstract view of cloud computing. Next, we will see the evaluation of cloud computing. It will tell how the cloud computing methods transforms the initial networking methods to the current internet methodologies. In continuously, we will discuss about the principles behind parallel and distributed computing. These two computing methodologies are the foundation for cloud computing. Next is the various characteristics of cloud computing will be discussed. And last topic will be discussed on the provisioning of cloud services. In Unit 2, we will see about the services related to cloud computing. The service-oriented architecture is a style of software design where services are provided to the other components by application computer through a common protocol over a computer network. Next, we will see about the basic client web server concepts, and the publish subscribe model also will be discussed here. Next one is the important concept of cloud computing, that is virtualization. It is the act of creating a virtual version of something like hardware platforms, storage services, and other network resources. These will be discussed on elaborately on this unit. In Unit 3, we will see about the architectural models of the cloud computing. the National Institute of Science and Technology has given the cloud reference architecture. According to that, the three cloud models, public, private, hybrid cloud methods, are deployed for various applications. And we will see about three classification of cloud services, namely infrastructure as a service, that is IaaS, platform as a service, that is PaaS, software as a service, that is SaaS. The challenges while designing cloud deployment models will also be discussed in this sections. Next one will be clearly discuss about the storage methodologies in cloud platform. The unit 4 focuses on the resource management and security. How the resources are being used by the users will be covered here. Next is about the cloud security. What are the challenges while using cloud platform will be clearly identified in this unit. The security of the virtual machines will also be discussed on this section. The last unit will tell the ideas about various application environment available for cloud technology. The very key concept is in the cloud is MapReduce model with the help of Hadoop environment. Next we will see about the Google App Engine and its application framework and its perceptions. Next is OpenStack. It is also a free open standard cloud computing platform. Mostly it is deployed in IaaS services. So with this overview of the subject, we will conclude the session and we will start the first unit on the next session. Thank you all.